I wanted to take a second to show off the A-frame level. The A-frame level is an essential tool because it helps you determine what two pieces of land are level with each other. So you see like topographical maps, or when people refer to things on contour, this is one of the easiest ways to get that determination. And it's very simple to build. This is a nicer one than you probably need, but anyway, here we go. It's two pieces of wood that come out together at any angle, and then one piece of wood that connects those two to form this A shape. The center piece of wood is, I've taped a level on it, and that's just to help me find the positioning quickly. You'll see the 3 lines written on that board and a rope that hangs down from the top of that A. Where the 2 boards are fastened together. Down at the bottom of this, you'll see a plumb bob attached to that rope. Now, the heavier the plumb bob you have, the nicer everything will work, because when you're working outside, you have wind and all sorts of variables. And the heavier it is, the faster it returns to 0, so the faster you can get your reading and the faster you can keep going. The level taped onto this board is for that same reason, to help you get it quickly. That's completely unnecessary, but it'll help you in the process. So once again, all you need is these 3 boards fashioned together in an A-frame, making sure that your center boards is equal distant from either side, so it forms a, well, you don't even really need that, because the string's going to hang level anyway. The way you calibrate it is simple. You pick 2 points that line up on the either side of that A. So you can mark it with marking paint or put a rock, and then wherever that line, or wherever that plumb bob centers up to, on that cross board, you draw a line. Now, using those same points that you just used, you flip the A-frame level around and do it again. And only that'll give you another line that you'll draw on that board. Directly in between those 2 lines is the center point, and that determines where your level reading is. So when your 2 points on either side of your hill that you're measuring line up, that string will hang on your center line, and you can then mark where that point is to continue making a long line of points that then you can use for a swale, horticulture, whatever you needed to that was on the contour line of the hill. And this works for pretty much, well, really any incline, any hill that you could possibly have. This will do it for you. This is what arguably built the pyramids. Thanks for checking in.